In today's video, we'll talk about why your Sony laptop is blinking orange and how to fix it. Your Sony laptop's orange light is blinking because the battery pack is faulty, unlocked, or has an error. The battery pack is located at the back of your Sony laptop and can easily unlock if a screw comes loose. Also, if you've used your laptop for a while, the batteries may fail, resulting in an error. To check your batteries, switch off your laptop and flip it upside down to access the back. Confirm that the battery pack is firmly screwed and not loose. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the screws that fasten the battery pack to the computer. Pull the battery pack to remove it and clean the battery contacts with a soft cloth. Reinstall the battery pack on the laptop and switch it on. If the issue persists, try replacing the battery pack with a new one. If the new battery pack works, the original one was faulty. However, if the issue continues, contact a Sony technician for further assistance. And that's it. Thanks for watching till next time.